Hello, I'm Dr. Keshwan and this is my wife, Dr. Aarti. We are parents of Nidashri, 11th standard CBSE.
How do you feel today about choosing JIRS for your child's education?
By this atmosphere, interest taken by the teachers to guide my child to a better level.
What aspects of the school's environment do you believe foster a positive learning experience for the students?
They give enough time for the child to study along with the physical activities.
How do you see that your child is benefiting from their time at JIRS in the future?
They learn more things than what we can able to teach them.
She has more exposure out here. She hasn't been able to do a lot of extracurricular with her studies. But this is the first time I'm seeing her going into that MUN and all. I've never seen children in our place going. So she wasn't exposed to all. We didn't know she could do such things and all that. And she's got the freedom to do explore more out here.
How do you feel about the communication and support that is provided by the school staff?
Yeah, it is good enough. Whenever I need to know something about my child, I'm able to talk to her dorm parent and even to her coordinator, Shashi Kiran. She responds if I send an email or something and want to know something or take her on a holiday, she really responds well. And her dorm parent, anything, either if she has done something wrong or if she's done something right, she is able to tell us so that we can guide her the next time she calls us. So we feel more safe out here. They don't cover up things and all that.
With wide range of activities, educational trips that emphasize on the holistic development of the child, how do you perceive the balance between academics and extracurricular activities here at JIRS?
Actually, I was a little worried that maybe she's more exposed to extracurricular, but then looking at her marks, I thought okay, she can balance both and they're giving enough time for both. I thought because she was doing a lot of extracurricular and she was never doing it earlier on, I was thinking her marks would go down or it would show on her academic performance. But I don't see, she's able to balance both. So I think you're giving her time for both out here.
Any message that you would like to give to the parents who are seeking admission at JIRS?
If they are able to, they should put the child out here. Then she's got a lot of, the children are allowed to explore what they can do and they're not forced into anything. I think the hostel, everything is good.
I think they should attend all these spiritual, so many temples are there. They should at least spend 15 minutes of their time inside the temple.
And they should make use of all that is available out here. They have a lot of things to do. Make use of it and not just sit and look around and all that. Children should explore so that they know that what they can do.